For decades, Iran's water problem has been misunderstood. People talk about drought, about climate change, about consumption management, but the real problem has never been water. The real problem is the failure to understand the natural geometry of the land. Iran is a unique country, not because it has access to two seas, but because those two seas are not at the same elevation. The Persian Gulf in the south, the Caspian Sea in the north, and between them, a high, dry plateau called Central Iran. That elevation difference is not just a number on a map. It is stored natural energy. If you understand hydraulics, you can turn that energy into water security, power generation, industrial stability, and sustainable development. The Iranrud concept was proposed over a century ago, from the Qajar era to the Pahlavi period. It was a great idea, but with one fundamental mistake. All previous Iranrud plans were based on open canals. Open canals evaporate, they consume land, they create security risks, and eventually, they fail politically. Iranrud did not fail because it was wrong. It failed because the technology did not exist. Today, that has changed, not because of politics, but because of engineering. Today, we have DBMIS, deep tunnels, numerical flow modeling, and global experience in underground megaprojects. Instead of canals, tunnels. Instead of evaporation, pressurized flow. Instead of pumps, gravity. In this project, water enters from the Persian Gulf into a deep elliptical tunnel, designed as a permanent structure for generations. No pumps, no surface pipelines, only gravity along the way. Hydropower is generated not as a showcase, but as a stable energy backbone. Near Isfahan, a portion of the water is withdrawn. It is desalinated. Cities are supplied, industry survives, and the Zayandeh-Rud is revived. The brine does not pollute the land. It is returned to the tunnel, controlled, engineered. Finally, the remaining water is released deep into the Caspian Sea. Without salinity shock, without ecological damage, without destabilizing the sea level. Critics often say the elevation difference is only 27 meters. Flow is impossible. That statement is true. For a simple pipe, it is false. For an engineered tunnel, near the outlet, the tunnel cross-section expands, velocity drops. Kinetic energy is recovered as pressure. This is the diffuser, not an accessory, but the survival mechanism of the project. Without it, the project fails. With it, flow becomes stable. This is why the system needs no pumps, no external energy, and no classical sludge tanks. The tunnel itself, with its massive water volume, acts as a natural energy buffer. Now compare this to flashy regional projects that lift seawater with pumps, pipelines, and electricity. Projects that live only as long as power exists. Saudi Arabia's mega projects, including those promoted by Mohammad bin Salman, are classic examples of spectacle engineering. High capital costs, endless operational costs, permanent energy dependency, no long-term resilience. This project is different. It works with nature, not against it. Every country has dams, every country has canals, every country has tunnels, but not every country has two seas at different elevations. That difference is more valuable than dozens of gold mines. If you understand it, you can build a future without conflict, without dependency, and without environmental collapse. This is not a political statement, it is an engineering fact.